Hi guys, how are you all? I hope that you all are doing good. So, today's video I'm going to share with you all my hair and skincare empties. Yes, I have finished up certain products which I had been using for the last 4 to 5 months, and one of the product I have been using for last 6 months. So I'm going to share with you all that what products have I emptied and whether I will be buying them again or not, and a small kind of review for each product. So let's get started. So I will share with you two hair care products which I had bought. This is Tresemme Botanic Nourish and Replenish shampoo and the conditioner from the same range. So I had got them under combo from Smitten app under shopping, and so I got them for around 625. There was a 50% discount when I bought them. I bought them in the month of, I think, December, during the New Year sale kind of a thing. I do not remember exactly, but I used them for like around 6 months because this was a larger packing. I have shorter hair, and I really like this one. Only the one thing which I faced earlier when I used it for the first time, that my hair got a bit dried out with this. But whenever I used to use it with this conditioner, then my hair slowly and slowly after 1 to 2 months got better and got kind of adjusting to the product, because the product started working actually after 1.5 to 2 months. And I was growing my hair in those times, so this product really helped my hair grow, in a stronger way, in a healthier way. Yeah, I was facing many split end problems, but with this one, many split end problems, the dryness of my hair really went on. This one is with olive oil and camellia oil, and the conditioner is also from the same ingredients. So that is why I would recommend that whenever you buy a shampoo or a conditioner, try to buy the same with the same combination, because then only your hair will get adapted to the actual working. The product will actually work for you if you use the products from the same combination, right? So this is my point of view. I don't know, it might work something other for you, but for me, whenever I buy products, I buy in a combo, so that they kind of supplement each other. Does this make sense? So this was it. So these were the two products. The third product which I have emptied is this Mama Earth Tea Tree Oil Face Wash. I talked about this face wash during my oily skin, oily and combination skincare routine. If you do not have watched that, I will link that video below in the description box. So I finished this packing. Earlier I've used their sample pack, and this time I used their full size product. I bought it in around February, I think, and January or February, and I used it for 4 to 5 months. And because I use combination of face washes, so that is why it takes time for me. Even in hair care or skin care, I try to use 2-3 kind of products alternatively, so that my hair does not get resistant to any activity of some certain product. This is my thought, because I am kind of a medical background person, so this is my thought. It might be something else for someone else, so I do it like that. So I used it alternatively, and this one is really good. Whenever you start breaking in once or twice in a month, it happens with the oily skin people. So at that time, this face wash really works for me. Currently it was out of stock, so I could not order a new one, but I will certainly order the next packing. One thing which was a little bit low for me, that this formulation was a little bit gummy. So not when I used to apply it, it used to hydrate my skin also, but you know, when you use the packing and you close the packing, sometimes it sticks, and when you reuse it, it's that sticky thing comes out. So that was a bit low for me. It might be the you know, base which has been used. They have used gel based, so they need to work a little bit on that one. Otherwise the product works very well for my skin. The fourth product which I'm going to share with you, again I have mentioned this product in my oily skincare video. This is my product. This is my holy grail in as a mist, as a toner, whatever you want to say. I use it as a toner. This is by Seer Secrets natural toning mist in the rose, palmarosa and catachu combination. It is divine. It is divine. It is divine in its use. It does not clogs my you know, it really is so good for at least oily acne prone skin people, because it settles down easily. It you know, closes the pores, and it gives that refreshing feeling to you, you know, whenever, especially when I'm feeling low and I do my skincare and I apply this mist, I just, my all my worries go away. This is such a good product. I have ordered its full size product also. It is with me right now. This was a sample product and it is over. So guys, this was all about, these were 4 products, which this was a quick kind of a empties and review kind of a video. So if you like these kind of short videos of mine, then do comment below and tell me that whether should I continue doing these short reviews and short bites with you. If you like this, then give a thumbs up and forward it to your friends. Share my profile and help my channel grow. That is what it is from my side. I will be there for you with more such videos. Thank you guys. Thank you. Bye bye.